It was a sunny morning, and little Emma was sitting at the breakfast table. Today was her first day of school, but she didn't feel excited. Instead, Emma felt worried. "I'm scared, Mom," Emma said softly. Her mom smiled and gave her a hug. "Don't worry, Emma. You're going to have a great day at school," her mom said. Emma ate her breakfast slowly. She didn't know what school would be like. Would the kids be nice? What if she didn't like her teacher? After breakfast, Emma put on her new school uniform and grabbed her backpack. Her dad was waiting by the door to take her to school. "Are you ready, Emma?" her dad asked. Emma nodded, but she didn't feel ready. She was still nervous. They got into the car and drove to the school. As they got closer, Emma saw other kids walking with their parents, holding hands, just like her. Her stomach felt tight. When they arrived, Emma saw the big school building. It looked so big and a little scary. "Goodbye, Emma. You're going to be just fine," her dad said, giving her a hug. Emma waved goodbye and slowly walked toward the entrance. She felt her heart beating fast. When she entered the school, everything was new and strange. Kids were running around, talking and laughing. Emma stood still, holding her backpack tight. She didn't know anyone here. A lady with a big smile came toward her. "Hello, sweetie. You must be Emma. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Miller," she said. Emma smiled a little, but she was still shy. Mrs. Miller bent down and took Emma's hand. "Come with me, Emma. Let's meet your classmates," she said gently. Emma followed Mrs. Miller into the classroom. The room was bright and colorful. There were toys, books, and pictures on the walls. "This is your seat, Emma," Mrs. Miller said, pointing to a little desk. Emma sat down, feeling a bit more comfortable. The other kids smiled at her. "Hi, I'm Lily," said a girl sitting next to Emma. "I'm Tom," said a boy from the next table. Emma smiled at them. They seemed friendly. Mrs. Miller started the class by reading a fun story. Emma listened carefully. She liked how Mrs. Miller's voice was calm and kind. After the story, the kids got to color pictures of animals. Emma loved coloring, so she was happy. At recess, Emma played with Lily and Tom. They ran around the playground, laughing and having fun. Emma forgot all about her worries. She was starting to like school. When recess was over, they went back to the classroom and did more fun activities. They sang songs, counted numbers, and played with toys. Emma realized that school wasn't so bad after all. By the end of the day, Emma was smiling. She had made new friends, and she really liked her teacher. When the school bell rang, Emma packed her things and waited for her dad to pick her up. When she saw him, she ran over with a big smile. "Dad, I had so much fun at school today," Emma said excitedly. Her dad smiled. "I'm so glad to hear that, Emma. I knew you would like it." As they drove home, Emma thought about all the fun things she did at school. She wasn't scared anymore. Now, she was excited to come back tomorrow.